Before get into the lesson, let us learn the three times and four aspects in the English tenses. The three times are past, present and future. Four aspects are simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Now we are going to combine the three times and four aspects to make the 12 tenses in English. Out of the 12 tenses, first four types are related to past, second four types are related to present, third four types are related to future. So the first four types are simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. Now the second four types: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Last and third four types are simple future, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. So these are the 12 English tenses. Simple past. Simple past is very important tense among the 12 tenses in English, because we use this tense so often. For example, you can use this tense to tell someone what you did yesterday. You can also use this tense what happened in the world 500 years ago. So whatever you are trying to describe that happened before now, you can use simple past. Here you can see a timeline. This is now. Everything before now is in the past. So whenever we are talking about simple past, we are talking about the time that is before now. That means something that happened in the past and it's finished. I repeat, simple past is anything that started and ended in the past. You can see here, this is the structure of simple past: subject plus verb in the past. For example, he played football, I studied English, I ate my lunch. These are the subjects, these are the verbs in the past form.